remember that we're using this amount equals percent times base approach. There are more than one way to do this type of problem. I think this is the very algebraic tone that we want to be taking in our elementary algebra course. So literally interpreting 1.3 is what percent of 26. I would grab my 1.3 and I'd say, okay, this 1.3 is good. My is my equal sign. What percent? That becomes my variable that I don't know, and an of 26 becomes times 26. So I have 1.3 equals x times 26, where x represents what percent. So making it maybe something that feels a little bit better, we could say 1.3 equals 26x. Solving for x, what we're going to do is divide by the 26, divide by the 26. Now, this one's going to be something that we may have to dig out our calculators for, but don't make it any harder than it is. If I end up with a 0.05, ends up being my x in this case. And actually, I let this be x. I suppose I could have used the p variable going on there. So I end up with x equals this. Now, this is when I have to really kind of keep my head straight. This equals the percent, what percent, but is this converted as a decimal or is this a percent? And the key thing is this formula here was working on the fact that this was as a decimal. So now I have to convert to percentage. So 0.05 correlates to 5%. And I get that by taking my decimal point and moving it 2 places to the right. So 0.05, otherwise known as 5/100, equals 5%.